In this video, I will show you how to make video calls on Facebook Messenger. If this guide helps you, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we need is to download Messenger on our phone. You cannot use Facebook to make video calls or to text your friends. You do need a separate app, and it's called Messenger. Once you download the app, go ahead and open it. And if you have Facebook downloaded on your phone, it's going to automatically save your login info. So simply go ahead and tap on continue if you see your Facebook profile. Once you download Facebook Messenger, what you're going to do is open up the chat of the person that you wish to call. And as you can see right here at the top right corner, you're going to see two options. You can either make a call or you can make a video call by tapping on the camera icon. I'm going to allow Messenger to access my camera and also my microphone. And as you can see, and now all you have to do is to wait for the other person to connect and join your call. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video helped you.